Now from the News 3 studios, this is Local Living.
When summer hits Las Vegas, most of us rush to get our air conditioners ready. But there's another home system that needs some warm weather attention. Welcome to Local Living. I'm Brian Thomas, and today we're joined by Camren White, who is a plumbing service technician with Goettl Air Conditioning Plumbing. Hey, thanks for having us out today.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me.
As we just said, summer we're always looking for the air conditioning parts, but the plumbing is a big part of it. What should we be doing to prep?
So there's a few things you should be doing during the summer, especially in the summer heat. What you want to do is check all of your outside hoses, make sure those are working, nothing's leaking. Also check your sprinkler system, make sure you don't have any leaks or cracks, breaks like that on your line. And if you have any exposed piping, the summer heat will actually bake your piping, cause stress cracks, and it'll break. One thing you should do is make sure all your piping is insulated and not being exposed to this heat out here in the summer.
Now, as it gets hot out, is there any kind of plumbing things we should be looking at indoors?
Absolutely. So inside the house, we'll actually tend to get smells and bacteria growth because of the heat. So one thing you want to do is actually clean out your sewer system with an enzyme-based material, or what we like to do is vinegar and baking soda. That's the best, most all-natural way to clean and maintenance your sewer system, get all that debris and bacteria that's growing in there out of there.
Now, why is summer a good time to flush your water heater? And you include that also in the rejuvenation service you provide.
Yes, that is correct. So we have a rejuvenation service. We come out every year, and one thing we do during that service is we flush your water heater. So a few things you'll notice on your water heater is you might see calcium and limestone buildup, corrosion on your fittings and things like that. And you have sediment buildup that builds up inside the water heater. As the sediment builds up higher, you get less hot water. So when you're taking a hot shower, you'll actually lose hot water fairly quickly. So one thing we do is we flush your water heater, get as much sediment as we can out of there, just to help the water heater live a best life as we can and keep it going as long as we can as well.
That's interesting. And so as summer is also maybe a good time to test for hard water. Can you elaborate?
Yeah, so like I was talking about earlier, how we have a corrosion. You'll see corrosion on your fittings. That is calcium and limestone buildup. And that corrosion will actually shorten the life of your unit and any plumbing fixture. And it actually creates small pinhole leaks, and it creates bigger problems. So one thing we do is we test your water pressure and your water quality. All that's done with our rejuvenation every single year. And with that, we will tell you your water quality, and if you do have hard water, we'll be able to match you with a system that works for your home to protect your home for many years in the future.
Great, say it with me, rejuvenation.
Rejuvenation.
Hey, get in on that rejuvenation. $129 water heater rejuvenation. You can visit Goettl.com/Las Vegas or call 725-331-2715. Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing, keeping you cool and your plumbing running smoothly all summer long. Hey, Camren, thank you for joining us today.
Absolutely.
Thank you for having us out and all those great tips.
Absolutely, thank you.
And thank you for watching Local Living. We'll see you next time.